Bless up, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending on when you're seeing this right now. Something I want to share with you guys is something Nats and I've been talking about a lot recently. And it is don't be afraid to give yourself a little bit of grace. Now, what am I talking about? Sometimes we have ambitions in life, and that ambition causes us to sometimes feel like we are not where we're supposed to be, or we are failing at life, and things are not just where they're supposed to be. But sometimes we have to just take a second to give ourselves grace, because a lot of us are coming from a poor start in life. And the fact that we're where we are right now is a reflection of strength and resilience and determination, and that's a win in of itself. And if you take a second to look at where you are in life right now, your older self will be very proud of you right now, today. So because of our ambition, we want more out of life, I get it. But sometimes that causes us to not give ourselves enough grace, to just be appreciative of where we are in life and all the struggles that we have to overcome, that we had to overcome to get to where we are at right now. So I'm talking to somebody right now, and the word is don't be afraid to give yourself a little bit of grace. Just take it easy on yourself a little bit and just be proud of where you are at this moment in time. Bless up, guys.